Which type of flame is often used as a distress or attention signal? Blue flame, red flame, flare, torch. The correct answer is flare. What ingredient is primarily used to make rum? Barley, corn, sugar cane, wheat. The correct answer is sugar cane. France and Switzerland might be famous for it, but which country actually produces the most cheese? Netherlands, Italy, Germany, United States. The correct answer is United States. The Acropolis is a famous ancient site located in which European country? Italy, Greece, Spain, Turkey. The correct answer is Greece. This majestic capital is home to the Kremlin, Red Square, and the Bolshoi Theater. What is the capital of Russia? Moscow, St. Petersburg, Vladivostok, Irkutsk. The correct answer is Moscow. Which legendary musician passed away in 1977 due to heart failure? Elvis Presley, John Lennon, Freddie Mercury, Jim Morrison. The correct answer is Elvis Presley. Stones and minerals are usually extracted from what kind of site? Pit, quarry, mine, cave. The correct answer is quarry. An epitaph is the inscription typically carved onto which object? A memorial plaque, a headstone, a ceremonial statue, a time capsule. The correct answer is a headstone. The first Parliament of Great Britain was formed in 1707 after England unified with which country? Ireland, Scotland, Wales, France. The correct answer is Scotland. Arthur Miller's 1953 play The Crucible dramatizes which historical event? The French Revolution, the Boston Tea Party, the Salem witch trials, the Gunpowder Plot. The correct answer is the Salem witch trials. A scratch test helps doctors identify what type of health issue? Diabetes, allergies, skin infection, anemia. The correct answer is allergies. Complete the saying, close friends are said to be as thick as butter, thieves, honey, mud. The correct answer is thieves. If you pull your elbow tightly into your side, what major back muscle are you using? Biceps, deltoid, latissimus dorsi, trapezius. The correct answer is latissimus dorsi. Who founded and ruled the Mongol Empire? Kublai Khan, Attila the Hun, Genghis Khan, Timur. The correct answer is Genghis Khan. Where is human skin the thinnest? Palms, eyelids, feet, behind the knees. The correct answer is eyelids.